Hey, would you like to quickly add punch and warmth to any track in just seconds? Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Parallel Aggressor tool by Baby Audio and showing you how it can quickly and easily help you improve your mixes. Now, by the way, if during this review you decided you want to grab a copy of this plugin for yourself, then just be sure to use the code OAA at checkout so that you get 10% off. So before I dive into how to use this plugin on all the different features that it has, let's just listen to it really quick on this drum kit here. So really cool. So immediately what you're hearing, right, it adds punch, it adds warmth, it brings it forward more, and just makes it feel fuller and richer, and just makes it sound really great in the mix here. So, and right, it can be done easily in just seconds. So here's the plugin right here. So the way this works is you have these three parallel signals that you're balancing in together. That's why it's called the Parallel Aggressor. So what this plugin is essentially doing is it's giving you saturation or distortion, depending on how much you dial in, and also parallel compression. So it lets you blend together your dry signal, and it also lets you combine your super uber compressed level here. So that's referred to as Spank. If we just solo the drums here, you can kind of hear what these sound like on their own. I solo the Spank here. So what you're hearing is only the compressed sound. And then we can dial that in. So you can hear now it's hitting really hard, and then we can control how much of that really hard compression we want to dial in. And then we have the dry level, right? This is just how it normally sounds without the plugin. And we have the heat level. So this is how much distortion or saturation you want to add in. So that's pretty cool. And so because these parallel signals, right, you can blend these together, you can really turn the distortion up and be really, really hot. But then if you pull back the actual how much of that really hot signal you're blending in, it kind of just adds a pleasant crispiness on the top if you listen to this. Right, you're not over distorting it. And then the reason why that distortion is only being added to the top, as to say we dial this back, it's because of this heat style over here. So we're preserving the low end, right? We're doing a high pass filter here. So it's only affecting the high frequencies, the heat here. So you can also do the same thing. You can do a high cut as well if you want to only be affecting the mid range if you have both these engaged. And then you could also make it extra hot if you wanted to. That's just going to make it even more distorted. And you, of course, have your output that you can control here. Then you have your Spank style here, so you can add even more punch. You can add extra smack, which it just increases the amount of compression that you're hearing. So let's hear what these sound like. So you can hear that extra smack is really just like extra compressing the entire frequency range there. And you can also make this mono if you want. And then that's basically it. You can also change the color if you want to by clicking up here. And so now let's listen to this on a few other tracks as well. I also added it to this lead guitar section here. This is pretty cool because it really helps it cut through. I'll just play it with the whole mix so you can hear what it's doing. So you can kind of hear when this was not engaged, it kind of got lost in the mix, and there's probably still some volume automation and things I might need to do to it. But this definitely brings it forward more. It helps it cut through the mix a lot more and just makes it, you know, really sound like a nice full lead sound. So that is really nice. And then one last place to listen to this is actually on the mix bus. So I'm using it very subtly here, but you can definitely feel that it's kind of gluing the entire mix together a little bit more. It's even adding a tiny bit of more punch and just warmth overall to the entire sound. So this is a really cool plugin. It really helps you really get added punch, added warmth very quickly in just a few clicks. So it definitely helps you save time there. So if this is something you want to get for yourself, then just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/aggressor and put in the code OAA at checkout so that you can get 10% off your order. By the way, if you want to check out another really cool plugin, then check out my video that's playing on the screen right now, where I review this really awesome drum plugin if you're wanting to create 80s style synthwave or just retro style drums. It's really awesome, can help you make amazing synthwave drums in just seconds. All right, be sure to drop a like if you found this video helpful. Otherwise, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.